During the short commercial break, a shocking new discovery was made. One of our sources searching for the mystery man uncovered his identity. The man who reported the deaths of the couple, the man who was an uncle to one and a father to the other, is Creon, current ruler of Thebes. His son Haman is the dead young man, and he killed himself due to a possible misjudgment of Creon's. He sentenced Haman's wife, daughter of Oedipus and Jocasta, the beloved heroine of Thebes, Antigone, to her death. We are told that Creon's motives in allegedly sentencing Antigone to her death was punishment for the supposed burial of her brother. This act is illegal, and it is in blatant violation of Creon's law. It can only be assumed that Antigone understood this law because of her close ties to its roots. According to our sources, Creon sentenced Antigone to death by starvation. Her body was discovered in a cave with negligible rations of food and water. We have evidence to suggest she hung herself shortly after confinement. Interestingly, it appears that Creon attempted to revoke Antigone's sentence. Creon was seen at the site of the cave shortly after the supposed sentence to death. Witnesses claim that he found his son weeping over Antigone's body. At that moment, Haman was said to have drawn his sword. After swinging it at his father and missing, Haman purposefully impaled himself, witnesses recalled. Our sources report that a messenger was sent from the cave to Creon's household. We may assume that the messenger was still delivering the news of Haman's death to Eurydice, the wife of Creon. After interviewing the servants for a description of the encounter, this included a breathless messenger speaking solemnly between breaths with Eurydice. Later, a calm Eurydice returning home. The servants went to check on her. She was found lying on the floor with a knife impaled into the side of her head. Around that time, Creon returns home to this grim scene. Nothing short of a Jerry Springer tale here, folks. Even more proud would be Aristotle, what with the cause and effect chain, and the catastrophe, and the peripeteia. And we can't forget Anaxagoras. Looks like we have ourselves a real live Greek tragedy. Thanks for tuning in. Stay posted as we dissect more Greek tragedies. This is Ethan Green for Alpha News. Thank you.